Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna be sharing with you this beautiful winter glam makeup look, and if you wanna know how I got this look then please keep on watching, but also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let's get started. So starting off with a moisturizer, and I'm applying it all over my skin. I will let it sit for 5 minutes or so and then I will move on to the primer. And then for my primer I'm using this InstaLift wrinkle filler. Now this one is supposed to use as your under eye gel, but I love using it as my primer as it covers up my pores beautifully and it makes my skin look very smooth and nice. And then I'm using this liquid illuminator underneath my base to give my skin that glowy and dewy look, and it looks beautiful underneath your foundation. And I'm mostly concentrating only on the highest points of my face. Then it's time for concealer, and I'm loving this one lately. This has full coverage and it blends beautifully on the skin, looks very nice. And also if you have acne scars, or if you have pigmentation, or if you have dark circles, then this concealer is really nice because it has full coverage and it almost covers every single thing. Okay, now it's time for foundation, and a lot of you have been requesting me to review this particular foundation. Now when this was initially launched I used to use this a lot, but then I moved on to more towards the matte foundations, so I stopped using this one. Now this foundation has more of a dewy satin finish, and this is a light to medium coverage foundation, very good for everyday wear, but if you wear it underneath your mask this is gonna transfer for sure. Now this foundation is gonna give you that nice dewy hydrated kind of look, and if you are looking for this kind of foundations then definitely go for this one. Next, to set the liquid products on place, I'm using this Makeup Revolution banana powder. Now using this powder is a little bit tricky. You have to use it with a very light hand, and if you use it with a heavy hand it might look a little cakey, mostly underneath your eyes. So I just very lightly dust it off all over my face and it looks perfect. Then to set everything on place I'm using this setting spray, and this will also take away the powderiness that I have on my face right now. Moving on to the brows, and I'm using this L'Oreal Brow Artist Genius kit. Love this one, and it comes with a brush, and I'm using this from past 2-3 years and I still have so much product left. A very good quality product, highly recommend this one. And then I'm using a brow gel to set my brows on place, and this one is from Nykaa. Moving on to the eyes, and today I'm using this Nykaa Daydreaming 10-in-1 eyeshadow palette. So first I'm gonna be taking this Dusty Rose shade and applying it all over my crease, and this is gonna be my transition shade. And then I'm gonna be taking this brown shade from this palette and I'm applying it on the outer corners as well as on the inner corners to create that beautiful soft halo effect to the eyes. And once that is done, I'm taking the same brown shade and applying it on my bottom lash line to create a very soft smoky effect. And then I'm taking this beautiful champagne shade and applying it in the middle of the eyelid to create that pop. And then with the help of the same brown shade I'm just blending the edges so that everything looks nice and seamless and blended. And then with the help of a clean fluffy brush I'm just blending it further so that everything looks nice and cohesive. Then I took the same champagne shade and applied it to the inner corners of my eyes. And now I'm gonna curl my lashes and apply 2 coats of mascara. Now let's finish off the rest of the makeup, and for my blush I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me blush in the shade Rose. Such a beautiful color, love this one. For my highlighter today, I'm using the same liquid illuminator that I've used before, and I'm using it only on the highest points of my face. Then I'm using a bronzer to give my face some structure to it, and I don't use a bronzer and a contour separately, so I choose something that has that perfect amount of warmth and cool tone to it so that it looks a little bit more structured and not too warm. So this one is perfect for me. Moving on to the lipstick, and guys, this one is my current favorite. Whenever I'm going out, I'm just using this lipstick and nothing else. I am in love with this shade. If you have budget, just go and get this lipstick, you guys. I'm sure you will love this one. Anyway, that's it. That's the finished look. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you do, then definitely let me know in the comment section below. Give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I will see you in my next video. Bye.